Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can build your email list free of cost. So you can build your list and use for email marketing. Let's see how it works. Just you can search for extension email extractor. Here you can see in the Chrome store, just you can install this extension. Click here, add to Chrome. After that, add extension. Now here you can see extension has been installed. Now just click here, pin. Here you can see on the top. After that, just you can use it. How it works, here you can see the format. Just you can add these things in inverted commas. You can add any state, country, city name. After that, here you can see you can add these in inverted commas. Also we can add something else, for example hotmail.com. Then press enter. After that, here you can see these are various websites, but the extension will extract all the emails. Just click here. After that, here you can see it has extracted all the emails that is available in this list. Just you can copy this. After that, start saving in your file. For example, I can save this. In this way you can replace these, for example business names and these. After that you can make search and build your email list free of cost. So thank you for watching. For more videos and updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.